Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So now we are off to the airport and I'm moving to Paris today and I cannot wait to get to Paris again. But yeah, this feels very surreal. I don't know if it's real yet, but I'm off to the airport. All things are packed and our flight is in 2 hours. I will talk to you guys soon.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages, but it kinda feels the same. No matter how hard I try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA.
They're transported to Paris.
Cannot get you out of my system. I know we both have some things left to say. Can you stay a little longer? Can I make you change your mind? Yeah, I know that it's over, but can we stay here for a while until everything's alright again? That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you. 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Is that cool with you, cool with you, cool with you? 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Maybe I am selfish, 'cause I want you to myself. Yeah, I know you
Hello
feel
from
so
Paris, everyone. So now I'm in my apartment in Paris. I have been so bad at checking in with you guys because there is a lot of new impressions and it was basically too much for me to handle everything. But today it is Monday and we arrived here in Paris on Saturday. On Saturday we just went out to stroll and look around in the city and we also ate dinner out. Sunday I didn't do much. We went out doing some grocery shopping and nothing more than that actually. And today I have been working and trying to organize the apartment so I can give you guys a proper apartment tour. And today I went out to do some shopping. I needed some necessities because the apartment is not fully furnished but very furnished to be not furnished, if that makes sense. So there were some things that I needed that I went out to buy. First thing I bought is a cheese grater and a spoon and also some clothing hangers. These aren't the nicest ones, but I don't want to take them with me when I'm moving to another apartment because yeah, I don't know. I just grabbed the first and the best thing that I saw. And so of course I went to Sephora because we don't have that in Norway, so it is a lot of things that I have been empty of. So I'm going to give you guys a Sephora haul. It isn't the biggest one, but yeah. And also I'm still sick, so you can hear that in my voice. If I sound weird, that's the reason. So the first thing that I bought was the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This one has been my favorite since I was in Paris last time. That was the first time that I bought it. And since then, this is my all-time favorite setting spray. I have tried many different, but this one seems to hold my makeup very well. So I needed a new one. And I think this is my second bottle of it, so it is pretty good. The next thing that I bought is my favorite foundation. This is the Beautiful Skin foundation in the shade 1 Neutral. And this is just the perfect foundation. It gives the skin that beautiful glow, but not too much. So I really like it, and it is my favorite foundation, and it is the only foundation that I use. And this is my third bottle of this foundation, so it's very good and it is my everyday go-to. And since I love the Beautiful Skin that much, I needed to try the Flawless filter because I haven't tried it yet. And now when summer is coming, I think this one is going to be very perfect for me. This is also in the shade 1 in Fair, and I think it is going to be very good for me. I cannot wait to try it out. And lastly, my favorite setting powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is just a refill. So here is the refill inside my old case. So that was the things that I bought from Sephora. Now I think I'm going to work a little bit more and also work on the organization in the apartment. So I can give you guys a proper apartment tour very soon. But that was it for now, and hopefully I will show you guys the apartment very soon. Bye. Hello guys, so now I have just come back from Ikea, and I was thinking that I could do a haul for you guys now. So yeah, let's get into my Ikea haul. I did buy a little bit, so let's start. And the first thing that I got is a pillow. Nothing special, but I needed a new pillow for my bed because the one that I have now is quite uncomfortable and I couldn't manage to sleep on it. So I bought 2 pillows. Hopefully these are a little bit more comfortable until I get my pillows from home, because these are just pillows that I'm going to use for a couple of weeks until I get the pillows that I have home here. And also these are in a very weird size, because I don't know about you guys, but in Norway we have more rectangular pillows than square pillows, but these are completely square pillows. I haven't seen that before, and these are 65 centimeters. So yeah, that was the first thing. And I also needed some pillow covers, so I bought 2 of those as well. These are just basic white covers. Napkins, dish brush, I think it is called, oven mitts, some scissors, cooking utensils, and some kitchen towels. And in my last bag here is a shelf organizer for my closet. And I also needed some more hangers, so therefore I bought these. Yeah, that was the haul. I'm still trying to tidy this place up so I can give you guys a proper apartment tour. So yeah, that was the haul for today, and I will talk to you guys soon. Hello guys, it has been quite some time since I last talked to you guys, and my days here in Paris have been so busy, so I haven't had a chance to check in with you guys, but today I thought that I would do that. And so today I have been out and doing some shopping and bought some necessities that I haven't managed to get earlier. So this is also a haul. I feel that all this vlog is just a major haul vlog. But it is like this when you are moving to a new place and you are getting rid of some things before you move, and you cannot take all the things that you have at home with you to the next place. So there are some things that I need to buy here in France. Last week was incredible. I met some new people and I also managed to get some things for the apartment. And yeah, I really enjoy living in France and especially in Paris. Today was actually the first day that I bought myself a baguette, and I haven't eaten that since I moved to Paris, and that's quite a shame, but it was so good and everything here is so good. There are a lot of things that we don't have in Norway, and my current obsession is Orangina. It is something that we have in Norway, but we only have it in a few stores. But Orangina is just so good. It is much better than Fanta. And I'm so sorry for the bad lighting. The reason for that is because I don't have my lights here with me from home. I'm going to buy some new lights here so I can vlog and film videos with good light. But as it is now, I don't have any lights. So I have been into a few stores today, and the first store that I went to was Sephora. Because last time when I went there, they didn't have everything that I wanted and they didn't have anything more today. But I ended up buying something that I can use while I'm waiting for the right product to arrive. And the product that I have been hunting for is the Beautiful Skin Charlotte Tilbury Concealer. The one that I normally use is the shade 2, and this is the shade 1. Every time I have went into the Sephora boutiques here, they only have 1 or 2.5, and 2.5 is a little bit too orange for me, so therefore I went for number 1 to try and see if I can manage to use it. I think it is better to have something that is a little bit too light than a little bit too dark when it comes to concealer, because I don't want to get dark circles under my eyes. So here is the concealer. This is the only concealer that I have been using for a year now, and it is very good. And I also use the Beautiful Skin foundation, and quite recently I also have used the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter together with the Beautiful Skin foundation, and I actually have it on now, and I feel that it is a good combination, and I cannot wait to try out this one, and hopefully they will get the shade 2. I have seen that they have it in stock online, but another story is that mail system here is just so crap. Sorry, but it is very crappy. I have ordered some packages and one of them arrived actually today, but the other one I don't know. It should have been here on Thursday, and today it is Monday. And I also got a random mail where they said that I refused to take the package, but they haven't called me or anything. So I don't know. That's another story. And I will also show you the Dior package in this haul. So next thing that I got is a shower foam. I took it with me just because I think it smells very good, because it is with coconut. That's a random thing that I just went for. And also something that I forgot to take with me from Norway is my tweezers. So therefore I had to buy a new tweezer. So it's just a basic black tweezer. And one of my favorite stores, believe it or not, it is Normal. Because they have such a variety of different things and it is quite affordable. So it is a store that I really like to go into when I have time for it. And of course I went in today. So the first thing that I got is this Got2b glued spiking gel, and I use it for when I sleek my hair. It is very good for that, so I just re-bought it. And while we are talking about sleeking, I also bought a new brush which supposedly is going to make it easier for me to sleek my hair, but I don't know. I'm also very excited to try this one out. And that was the things that I bought from Normal. And let's go over to Dior Beauty. So here is the package. And I also really like that Dior has the ultimate packaging when it also comes to online orders, because they have put the effort in the boxes as well. So here is the box, and this is the new motif for, I think it is summer, and let's open it up, or Mother's Day I think it was. Either way, it is very beautiful. And here is just a basic card, and so the things that I bought is the Dior Solar sunscreen. This is for face, and it is in SPF 50, which is very good. So here you can see the sunscreen. I have tried it several times at Dior Beauty and it's very good, so yeah, I just had to get it. Especially now for summer. The one that I have now is Dior Snow, and it is also 50, but I feel that it is too mattifying, so I had to get this one. And the other thing that I bought is something that is very new to Dior Beauty, especially on the website. But this one is the Professional Dior series, and it is very exciting because I haven't tried it out before. This is the Dior Professional Lotion Peeling Floral. So this is just a lotion that you put on your skin, and then it will peel your skin because of the acids. This one has BHA and also vitamin PP. So I'm very excited to try this one out. So that was the things that I bought, and I also got some freebies. Of course, it isn't as much as I'm used to when I'm shopping at Dior Beauty in Oslo. But this is the Cologne Blanche, which is kind of a new perfume release. I think it was released last summer. I haven't managed to get a sample or anything from this scent in Oslo, so that's very good, because this one I have tried it several times in the store, but they didn't have any samples, and now I can try it out when I want to. And I also got another bag with some samples. Here is also one Cologne Blanche. This is 1.2 milliliters. And I also got the One Noir, which is from the same release, I think, and also 2.5 milliliters. So that was the haul, and I think I will leave you guys here and start another vlog right away, because the coming week is going to be so good. I have so many things planned, and if I don't end the vlog here, I feel that the vlog is going to be way too long. But that was the check-in, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this mini vlog haul kind of thing. As you can still hear, I still have problems with my voice, but it is slowly getting better, and yeah, I am really enjoying Paris, and I'm so happy to take you guys with me through this journey. It is going to be so good and so fun. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene, and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes, and now quite recently the life in Paris. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. That was the vlog for today, and I will see you in the next one. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.